home run ball. Yeah? Ooh, it's chocolatey. That's good. Ah, here. You like it, baby?
What do you think? She approves.
She likes it. Oh.
She's eating your food. I know.
That chocolate is
Your favorite. This is her normal snack. So. And last.
Remember? You want some?
Makes me want to go to the movie theaters again.
Oh. Extra. You bite into it. It's really flaky, and it has chocolate in the middle. Yay!